Hello, hope you are doing good. As a creator, it is great to have a large audience base, but monetizing your audience can be a very tedious task. So in this tutorial, we'll be comparing three of the best platforms as creators to monetize your audience: Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon, and Kofi. While each platform will allow you to collect donations, with each platform there are different fees and different features. So I've taken the time to analyze or go through each platform so that I can come up with a video to show you each platform's features, fees, so that you'll be better equipped to know which platform will best suit you and your audience base. The first platform that we'll be looking at is Buy Me a Coffee. With Buy Me a Coffee, you can get started for completely free. All you will need to do is enter your email address once you're on buymeacoffee.com. The fee that they charge is 5% per transaction, as you can see right here. So that means that if you were to make $100, they would get $5 out of that $100, and you'll be able to keep $95. That is how they are able to make money. They don't show ads or anything like that. And what I also like is they don't email your audience or anything like that. They don't try to contact them. With Buy Me a Coffee, it is very easy to set up, and I would consider it the most easiest out of all three platforms to get started. But the pullback with it is the features. With Buy Me a Coffee, you mainly can collect donations. So if you simply want to collect donations, Buy Me a Coffee would be the one for you. All you would need to do once you are signed up, you are going to tap on donations. Then from there, you will tap on settings. After you have tapped on settings, you can set the price that you would like to start off at for your coffee. If you would like to also set up a membership so that you could collect recurring income, you could tap on memberships and then tap on enable. They also offer a wishlist feature, and with their wishlist feature, you'll simply tap on add wishlist item, and from there you'll be able to add an item that you would like help with from your audience to purchase. But unlike Amazon or other platforms, with this, they don't purchase the item for you and then ship it. Instead, you will be able to collect the money, and then from there, you will be able to purchase the item for yourself. You will be paid instantly. So that is definitely a plus. One of the pullbacks with Buy Me a Coffee is it does not have PayPal connected, so you won't be able to integrate PayPal. Instead, it offers a Stripe connection. So if you have Stripe available in your country, you can simply connect your Stripe, and from there you will be able to get paid instantly. If not, you'll need to connect your bank account, and from that you will be able to get paid, but it won't be instantly. They also integrate with numerous platforms. For example, you can connect your Discord, WordPress, and Zapier. Now that we have looked at Buy Me a Coffee, the other platform that we'll be looking at is Kofi. With Kofi, it does collect a transaction fee of 5% also, and it is completely free to sign up. One of the major pluses of Kofi compared to Buy Me a Coffee is you will be able to connect your PayPal. So if you have PayPal available, you can connect your PayPal. It also allows you to connect your Stripe right here. So you'll be able to accept payments from Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. So it offers more payment options compared to Buy Me a Coffee. Another plus when it comes on to Kofi compared to Buy Me a Coffee is it offers similar features to Patreon, but as I said, it only has a 5% fee, as you'll basically be able to do everything that you're allowed to do on Patreon. But with Patreon, their fee starts off at 8% and it goes up to 12%, as you can see right here. With Patreon, for their 8% fee, you will get access to monthly and annual subscriptions, premium member benefits, membership tiers, community engagement tools, member analytics and insights, free trials and special offers, priority customer support, and you will get all of those on the 12% tier, a dedicated partner manager, merch for membership, and team accounts. And you'll be able to add, or you'll set up different tiers. With Buy Me a Coffee, you're not able to create different tiers. And by different tiers, I mean that, for example, you can start off for $5, so you can have persons or your subscribers pay $5 for a different feature. Then you could have a middle tier of $10 where you offer even more access, and then you could have a top tier for $15 or $20 that you offer the premium features. So you also get numerous other options on which you'll be able to monetize. So for example, if you were to go onto my page, and by the way, when you sign up to Patreon, this is how your page will look. So all you will need to do is tap on create. Once you have tapped on create, you can see that you can add a live stream, you can add a poll, you can also add audio, video, images, and different links. With Buy Me a Coffee, you are not able to set up a poll, and so our live stream. But with Kofi, you would have majority of those features. But the plus with Kofi is, if you are looking for a platform to sell digital products, Kofi would definitely be the one for you. If you are looking for a platform with numerous features, then you could go with Patreon. But if you are looking for a basic platform to simply collect donations, well, Buy Me a Coffee would be perfect for you. For example, when you sign up to Kofi, as you can see right here, here are the ways how you'll be able to monetize it. The first option is by creating memberships. Just like Patreon, you'll be able to create different tier memberships. For example, you could start off for $5 for a basic membership, $10 for the middle price, and then you could offer the top tier membership for $15 or $20. With Kofi, you'll also be able to set up a merch shop. So you could tap on shop right there. After you have tapped on shop, from there you'll be able to sell physical or digital products. So if you have t-shirts or anything like that that you'd like to sell, or ebooks, you can do that on Kofi. This is the best platform out of all three to sell digital products. You can also connect your Discord. You can also integrate it on numerous other platforms. So with the integration, it is quite easy, as you can see right there. And if we were to tap on commissions, you can see again, you'll be able to let your friends request something unique from you, offer joins, writing, video messages, and more before you start. So you can see that with them, you have numerous ways also how you can monetize. But if you're looking for a platform to monetize by selling digital products, Kofi is the one for you again. If you're looking for a platform to simply collect donations, Buy Me a Coffee would be the one for you. If you're looking for a platform to create different tiers with numerous features and so on, I would go with Patreon. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, tell me in the comment section below which platform you'll be signing up to and which platform you'll be trying. And thank you again for watching.